Gynoxal review. Does this cream work? Before getting into the Gynoxal review, let us first understand what is gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is a health condition which involves the enlargement of male breast gland tissue. Although it's more common in infants, compared to older men, there are several middle-aged and young men too who suffer from such abnormal growth of breasts. This condition is also commonly referred to as man boobs. Another well-known reason behind growth of man boobs is the deposition of fats into the chest area, thereby giving it boobs-like appearance. Please note that although this condition isn't life-threatening, it can seriously affect one's quality of your life. Men with enlarged breasts may find it hard to get away from people's ugly stares whenever they disrobe in public places. They may even lose confidence and find it difficult to make friends with people of opposite sex. Gynecomastia is a major health problem in the eyes of men suffering from them. Considering the desperation levels of men suffering from man boobs, companies have tapped into this market and have launched several different products for its treatment in the past few decades. However, none of them, barring a few, have proven effective in permanent gynecomastia treatment. What is Gynoxal? Gynoxal is a natural male breast reduction cream, formulated specifically for reducing the male breast's appearance in the quickest manner possible. It is meant to be applied daily and directly onto the male breast, until you see a visible improvement in your condition. Gynoxal has found a lot of popularity in the past few years, mainly because of the word-of-mouth publicity done by men who've benefited from it. Cream in a tube. Another major reason behind its popularity is that Gynoxal is a completely natural product and doesn't cause any harmful side effects. Furthermore, it's economically priced and doesn't require one to swallow or ingest anything. All in all, Gynoxal is a simple cream which can be applied on body, in this case male breasts, just like any other cream. How does Gynoxal work? Gynoxal cream delivers its results by eliminating the root causes of gynecomastia. As mentioned above, one of these is the fat deposits in the chest area. Unlike other gynecomastia solutions, this cream sculpts the chest area by breaking up the fatty tissues in it. This doesn't imply that it removes all the fatty deposits in the chest. Rather, it gets rid of the superfluous fats which make the chest swell up. Regardless of whether you understand the science behind this cream or not, you'll know it works if you use it for a few weeks diligently. You'll see your chest tightening up without causing you any discomfort. As with other gynecomastia supplements, this one doesn't enter the bloodstream, as it just targets the unwanted fat deposits in the chest area. You must apply Gynoxal cream at least once each day, preferably during the morning hours, to get best results. Gynoxal ingredients. Before and after picture. All the ingredients contained in this product are 100% safe and natural. The company which manufactures Gynoxal lists all its major ingredients on its packaging. Following are the 4 main ingredients that make the Gynoxal cream. Ginkgo biloba. One of the most regularly used ingredients in the Chinese medicine system, Ginkgo biloba is a highly versatile herb whose primary functions include the promotion of collagen production in the human body. Collagen is another name for tissues responsible for skin tightening. These are the same tissues that give you a youthful look. Aging and sagging skin is normally a direct result of depletion of collagen levels in the body. Apart from increasing the collagen production, Ginkgo biloba also assists the circulation of blood in the body, thereby giving a youthful appearance to the skin and improving the other body functions. Hence, it's not surprising that Ginkgo biloba is the primary ingredient in several prominent anti-aging products available in the marketplace. Aloe vera juice. Everyone knows the great benefits of this wonderful ingredient. It in fact functions as the primary ingredient in many weight loss products, and is well known for its fat-burning ability. People suffering from male breast normally have plenty of unwanted fat deposits around their pectoral or chest muscles. Aloe vera helps in burning these fats, without affecting the muscle mass in any way. Hence, You get rid of the chest fat deposits without losing any muscles. Retinol. The main ingredient of several anti-wrinkle creams and stretch marks removal creams, retinol was discovered during the early 20th century and has since been in use for reducing blemishes, lines, wrinkles and scars on the body. It carries out its task by tightening the skin, even if the underlying fat deposits have been dissolved. There are two main benefits of this ingredient's inclusion in the Gynaxyl cream. 1. It helps in skin tightening, thereby giving the chest a sculpted appearance. And second, that it keeps the scars away. Some men develop lines or scars in their chests after the breast size gets reduced. This ingredient helps in tackling that problem. Ethoxyetaglycol. Product on display. Although the above detailed 3 ingredients are present in several other gynecomastia products, what distinguishes Gynaxyl is the presence of ethoxyetaglycol. For retinol, aloe vera juice and ginkgo biloba to work, they should be combined in the right proportions and consistencies. This is where ethoxyetaglycol comes into play. It keeps the Gynaxyl cream stable and makes sure that every bit of it consists of all the important ingredients in just the right proportion. Another major benefit of this ingredient is that it facilitates easy penetration of other ingredients into the skin. Are there any side effects of Gynaxyl? Despite it being a tropical solution, Gynaxyl cream doesn't have any harmful side effects. You may have seen other similar creams leading to skin irritation and redness of skin, but not this one. None of the people who have bought and benefited from Gynaxyl so far have reported any such side effects. Nevertheless, it's important that you carry out a small skin test by applying a little bit of Gynaxyl cream on the inside of your forearm, to see whether it leads to any allergy or not. What results can you expect? Following are the results you can expect by regularly using the Gynaxyl cream. Breast size reduction. This is the most prominent and main benefit you can expect by using Gynaxyl cream on a regular basis. And why not? If you've bought a product to reduce man boobs, it should do exactly that. If we talk about the cup size, majority of men experience a reduction of minimum 1 cup size within 4 to 6 weeks of its regular use. In fact, you'll start seeing its visible results in the 3rd week itself. Furthermore, as the results delivered by Gynaxyl cream are permanent in nature, you can stop using it once you're satisfied with your new breast size. Skin tightening. Gynaxyl cream reduces the male breast size by doing 2 important things. 1. It reduces the fat deposits inside the chest area, and other, it increases the collagen production in the body. The user experiences an overall skin tightening effect in his chest area, making it more supple and tight, by the effectiveness of this 2-pronged approach. Chest sculpting. Chest sculpting comes as a natural and positive side effect of the above 2 benefits. However, you should keep in mind that Gynaxyl is in no way a muscle development cream and should never be used for that purpose. If you're really keen on sculpting your chest, the best way to go about it is pumping iron in the gym. Which is the best place to buy Gynaxyl? Owing to the huge popularity of the Gynaxyl cream, many unscrupulous elements have started marketing and selling Gynaxyl fakes, which are not only ineffective, but can cause a lot of harm to your health. Hence, it's important that you buy Gynaxyl cream, only and only from its official manufacturer's website. By buying it directly from the manufacturer, you'll ensure that you get the original product at the best possible price. Another benefit of buying it directly from the manufacturer is that you'll be able to avail their comprehensive money-back guarantee and the time-to-time discounts offered by them. Gynaxyl Review's conclusion. As we mentioned earlier, at the beginning of this article, although gynecomastia is not a life-threatening condition, it can seriously affect your confidence levels and outlook towards life. Many gynecomastia patients suffer from depression and low self-esteem problems. After all, which man would like to be at the receiving end of inappropriate jokes? Until some time ago, breast reduction surgery was the only option men had to get rid of gynecomastia. But surgery is both expensive and risky. If you're someone who is quietly leading an embarrassing existence because of gynecomastia, doesn't have money and/or risk appetite to undergo breast reduction surgery, and has already tried and tested various other solutions, it's high time that you give GynXL a try. Trust me, you'll not be disappointed. Click the image below and get 5% of the advertised price.